Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautoresto.com. I'd like to share with you, this is a donor vehicle, kind of a sad looking truck right now. This is a 2017 Ford F-150, extremely low mileage, only has 18,000 kilometers. So this is a vehicle or a donor that we purchased for the project that we're doing, the 1977 Ford pickup truck. In an earlier video, we shared with you on the white Ford where we had removed the 351 modified engine, the C6 transmission, removed the rad and all that kind of fun stuff. So we removed the old drive line, and then we've got the whole engine bay ready for the dry fitting of this new heart transplant, if you will, which is this wonderful engine. So in this 2017 truck, in my opinion, this is probably one of the best engines out there. So this is the Coyote motor. It's the 5-liter fuel-injected engine. So what we've done is we made sure, so this is a repairable vehicle. We're not interested in repairing it. We're more interested in giving the 77 Resto mod truck a new life kind of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to use as many components from this truck as we can. So we have the engine, the transmission, the drive shaft. We'll remove the gas pedal assembly because it's fly-by-wire. And so we're going to try to use as many components as we can. All of the cooling, radiator, none of that was damaged whenever this truck was in a collision. So what we're going to do is we made sure there's no engine lights, there's no problems with any of the sensors. We didn't have any coolant leaks. We don't have any oil leaks or any damage to the drive line whatsoever. So this is going to be a wonderful engine to set in the 77 truck. When you come down the side, the camera person come down the driver's side, something that we are contemplating or just kind of looking at, the inside of the dash, you can see obviously the airbag popped on the driver's steering wheel there, and then we've got airbags popped on the sides. But there's no damage to the dash. It has the bigger monitor, the bigger screen here on display, and you can see there's no damage at all to the dash. I really like the look of this buckets and console setup with the gear shifter here. So something that we're just kind of thinking about is the possibility of perhaps using this dash or taking the dashboard out of this 2017 Ford and making it fit in the 1977 Ford. So we took a rough measurement. Believe it or not, the 77 Ford truck, between the windshield posts from here to the other side, comparing this 2017 truck to the 1977 truck, the 77 is 2 inches wider. So there is a good possibility that this dash could fit in that 77. But the main thing we want to do is remove the drive line, the engine and the tranny, and then dry fit it into the 77 truck. And then we'll speak with our client and see if he wants to keep it original inside or perhaps doing something like this. Because at Last Chance Auto Restore, we're known for doing complete grad-up restorations, rotisserie restorations, and we do numerous Resto mods, but it's all based on what the client would like. So originally the client was thinking about buying a crate motor, get one directly from Ford, a Coyote motor, and by the time you purchase the engine and then you purchase the transmission, you need the computer, wiring harness, and pedals, and rad, and all kinds of fun stuff. In my opinion, this is a better way to go. Nice low mileage, it's only got 18,000 kilometers. It's certainly not hurt at all, and it's really going to be a really neat engine to put in the 77 truck. So in our next video, we'll share with you when we have the drive line out of this donor vehicle and ready to go in the 77. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.